Struggling to send invoices in LegalZoom? Learn how to send any invoice in under 60 seconds. First, access your homepage, then navigate to Books and Invoices. Select your invoice, and I'll show you how to send it with just a few clicks. Start by navigating to the LegalZoom homepage. Then, from the left sidebar, go ahead and click on Books. Once that's open, click on Invoices to see your list. Click the three dots on the right of the invoice. From the menu that appears, select Send Invoice. In the To field, type in the recipient's email address. You can also edit the email body if you'd like. When you're ready, just click Send and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.